Okay, that's my O2 GSX-R 750. Uh, j- just installed the DanMoto Carbon Fiber exhaust. I had a Acropovic full titanium racing system on there. And to tell you the truth, this is a cheaper exhaust. It's cost me like $142 shipped to my home in Canada, comparing to the $2,000 system, which sound like I mean it sound alright, but this one is much heavier, deeper, and I actually feel a little bit more power on the higher RPMs. Right, I'm gonna give you a taste of it. Just bear with me. I got the phone in my hands, and it's like freezing. As you can see, the snow is not even melted yet, but I had to take it out for a spin. Man, it's cold. Much heavier. The only let me shut it off. All right. The only issues I had while installing the pipe was I had to make spacers, because I'm using a Gsxr 1000 titanium header, so I had to make like, I don't know if you can see it, spacers so the pipe doesn't touch the fern and melt it. Made a little bracket here to make it more sturdy. You gotta watch out for the DanMoto the bracket they sent you. It doesn't tighten up very well, and I'm scared to like tighten it a bit more because it's gonna snap, so I'm gonna buy a more heavy duty bracket for it, because I have a little leak here, and you gotta watch out for here, check for leaks here and around the framing here for the carbon fiber where it meets the metal. Like, it had a few gaps there, and I filled it in with some muffler putty, high temperature putty, and the leak stopped, so I only have the problem here. But other than that, it's pretty good. I'm happy with it. This section here gets a bit warm, but I mean, like right now it's like probably +3. Here it's cold, so when the weather gets really hot, then we'll know if it can stand up to the test. I mean, it's cheap. If it doesn't work out, then I'll just put back my Acropovic, and it is a 750, but it feels like a 1000, because I have a Power Commander racing as well, so I'm gonna see if I can get it dynoed and see how it goes. Alright, so this is my baby, and gonna go take it for another ride.